Is your Kia Optima key fob from 2011 to 2013 not working? A dead battery is the most common culprit. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and a CR2032 coin cell battery. Carefully insert the screwdriver into the slot on the side of the fob to pry it open. Be gentle to avoid scratching the plastic. Once open, remove the old battery, noting the correct polarity with the plus side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Close the fob securely, ensuring it snaps shut. That's it. Replacing the battery typically resolves 90% of remote issues. This process should take approximately 5 to 10 minutes. If your key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, several things may be happening. First, ensure the new battery is a reputable brand like Duracell or Panasonic and provides a consistent 3 volts output. Counterfeit batteries can cause issues. Clean the battery contacts inside the fob with isopropyl alcohol to remove any corrosion. If the fob still doesn't communicate with your car, it may need to be resynced with the vehicle's ECU. Consult your Kia Optima owner's manual for specific syncing instructions, usually involving cycling the ignition or pressing button combinations. If all else fails, a diagnostic scan via an OBD2 scanner can identify ECU sync failures. While Kia dealers offer replacements for around $50 to $100, DIY battery kits cost only $5 to $10, making this an easy and cost-effective fix.